Daiquiri. This cocktail, all you need is based with white rum, simple syrup, sugar, and freshly squeezed lime juice. So all you need is take your martini glass or a cocktail glass. If you don't have a salt reamer, take a lime wheel, give it a nice rim with it, and dip it in the sugar in the saucer. I will do it in the cocktail reamer. Dip it in the sugar. Make sure you get this nice beautiful sugar rim. Keep it aside. Again, take your shaker, fill it with ice. $60 ml of white rum. Freshly squeezed lime juice, 10 ml. Make that 15 ml of simple syrup. Take your shaker. Give it a nice vigorous shake. And pour it in a glass. To complete a drink, all you need is a garnish. There you go. Cheers. That's your daiquiri. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And don't forget to drop me a comment if you have any suggestions or want to see anything special. So just drop me a comment below, and yeah, that's it for now. Thanks. See you in the next video. Enjoy. Cheers.